Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to start any conversation in English. These are very simple and natural sentences that you can use with friends, strangers, teachers, coworkers, or anyone. So let's begin. Part 1, Greetings. The first step of any conversation is a greeting. Here are some easy lines. 1. Hi, how are you? 2. Hello, what's up? 3. Good morning, how's everything? 4. Good evening, how was your day? Use any one of these to start a friendly conversation. Part 2. Starting a conversation with strangers. If you want to talk to someone you don't know, try these. 1. Excuse me, can I ask you something? 2. Hi, I'm sorry to bother you, but can you help me? 3. Hey, do you know where this place is? 4. Is the seat taken? 5. Hi, are you waiting for someone? These are polite and natural ways to begin a conversation. Part 3. Starting a friendly conversation. 1. It was nice talking to you. 2. See you soon. 3. Let's catch up later. 4. Have a great day. 5. Talk to you later. Thank you so much for watching today's lesson. I hope you learned something new and useful that you can start using in your daily English conversations. Remember, improving your English is a journey, and every single day you practice, you become better than before. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more simple and powerful English lessons. Your support really motivates me to create more helpful content for you. Also, tell me in the comments which topics you want me to cover next: vocabulary, grammar, daily sentences, pronunciation, or anything else you find difficult. Your feedback helps me make videos that fit your learning needs. Thank you for spending your time with me today. I'll see you again in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing. Bye. If you want to talk to a friend or someone you already know, 1. Hey, long time no see. 2. What are you doing these days? 3. I was thinking about you today. 4. Guess what? I have something to tell you. 5. How's your day going? Use these when you want to sound friendly and casual. Part 4. Starting a conversation at work school. Here are some professional and polite lines. 1. Hey, do you have a minute? 2. Can we talk about something quickly? 3. I need your help with something. 4. What do you think about this idea? 5. Shall we start? These work everywhere: office, school, or meetings. Part 5. Continuing the conversation. After the first line, you must continue the conversation. Here's how. 1. Oh, really? Tell me more. 2. That sounds interesting. 3. Wow, what happened next? 4. I understand. 5. That's great. These phrases make you sound confident and fluent, ending the conversation. Every conversation needs a good closing.